Kathy, breaking news today. A man who went to sell a dirt bike in Harvey was found shot to death in the Garden District today.
Look, it's a $2,800 dirt bike. It's not anything that anybody should be shot over.
What is up, guys? It's your boy Lives, aka MotoBroo, and today we have a sort of different type of video than usual, but someone was trying to sell his CRF 150R on Facebook and he ended up getting killed. Let's get into this story and unwrap it all and sort of figure out what exactly went wrong and happened. So this is a guy, 29 years old, from Louisiana. He has a CRF 150R, this exact same bike, and he's trying to sell it on Facebook Marketplace. Some guy hits him up. He's like, yo, I'll buy it. Meet me at my apartment at 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. The guy with the dirt bike was probably super stoked. He's like, yeah, I'm about to sell the dirt bike. I'm about to get me a new bigger bike or do whatever he wanted with the money. So next day comes, he's driving along. He's probably stoked. He's listening to some music, vibing. He pulls up to the apartment. Next thing you know, the person who wanted to buy the bike, I guess, had a gun and shot and killed homie who was trying to sell the CRF 150. And the craziest part is, next thing you know, the person who wanted to buy the bike, who killed him, hops in his car, drives like 10 blocks away, and literally parks the car and takes the dirt bike off the rear of the car and rides it back to his apartment and just leaves homie dead in his car, just parked on the side of the road somewhere. Like, it's literally crazy. It's mind-boggling how some people could just not have emotions towards someone or empathy about someone and just leave them dead in their car on the side of the road just for a flipping dirt bike. For this dirt bike, it's not even like a full-size dirt bike. It's a CRF 150 RB. Like, I know this is like the wheelie bike king. It's the easiest. It's a cheat code bike, but still, like, it's so messed up. And he takes the dirt bike off the back of the car and he drives it back to his apartment. And he's like, oh, well, I got a free bike now. But next thing you know, the cops find the car with the dead person in it. And
well, police found Joseph Vindel's body inside his car here along Coliseum Street around 5 o'clock this morning. And I spoke with his father this afternoon. He said he was loved by everyone and did not deserve this. Joseph Vindel was known for his outgoing personality and great sense of humor, but the New Orleans man's life was cut short. According to the Jefferson Parish Sheriff's Office, Vindel was shot and killed Sunday by 20-year-old Jalen Harvey. Vindel had this dirt bike for sale through Facebook Marketplace for about $2,800. According to Sheriff Joe Lapinto, Vindel left New Orleans around 10 a.m. Sunday to sell the bike in Harvey.
They start to figure out that he was trying to sell his bike on Facebook, and they find the person who was trying to buy it on Facebook. They go to his apartment, they find the dirt bike, they find him, he gets arrested, he's gonna get charged for murder, I'm sure, and he literally lost his life, bro. Like,
Our deputies went to that location and were able to find the dirt bike in one of the patios of one of those apartment complexes. At that point in time, they made contact with Mr. Jalen Harvey.
Harvey was arrested Monday morning for Vindel's murder. He admitted to shooting Vindel multiple times in his car in Harvey and then driving the vehicle to Coliseum Street in New Orleans, where he abandoned Vindel's vehicle with his body inside.
2 people lost their life. One person's going to jail for life, another person's dead, bro. Like, at 29 years old, like, so young, it's just a shame. And also the other person he was 20, I think he was 20 years old or 21 years old, and he's gonna be living in prison for life now, like, all over a freaking 150 RB. Like, this doesn't make sense, man. You guys need to be safe out there. That's like...
Detectives are still trying to figure out why Vindel was shot.
That's something that our investigators are going to have to look into.
When conducting online sales, Sheriff Lapinto suggests meeting at well-populated locations during daylight.
I don't know. This world's crazy, so I just wanted to make this video just to maybe help you or brighten your eyes of like what can happen, because the world's crazy. Even though like there's tons of good people out there, there's definitely some bad people, so just always be on your toes and be looking out, because you never know what's going to happen. I just thought it was crazy that I bought this bike 2 days after that whole Louisiana thing happened, and it was the same exact bike, like a Honda CRF 150 RB, and it's just, I don't know, it's crazy. Like, it sort of hit me personally, because I was like, damn, like, that could have happened to me, bro. Like, 2 days later, I was just buying this bike. I was like, it would have been the opposite ends. Like, I'm buying the bike and they kill me for my money, you know? So yeah, just be safe out there, gang. It's a crazy world, but it's also an amazing world full of adventures, fun, and positivity. It's all just how you look at it, to be honest. It's all about that perspective. But yeah, this is sort of just a talking video. I'm gonna take this for a little spin real quick, just so you can vibe with it. And yeah, let's go. We're on the CRF 150, bro, and I'm still just blown away how all that stuff happened in Louisiana. I mean, it's so sad, and it's crazy because it was all over this bike. Alright, we made it to this little field. Let's see if we can vibe out. Oh my god, it's a little bumpy. Vibe out some circles. It's crazy how much power this thing has, bro. You barely give it like a little umph and it just yanks you up, bro. It's so amazing, bro. Little sharp, little daily donut. Let's hit a little donut. Bro, it just wants to grip. It's crazy. But yeah, man, it's sad, bro. It's sad that had to happen to the homie. This thing is so fun, bro. So gang, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a lot different than what I'd be usually making, but it's sort of just a story time to tell you and show you. Just be safe out there on the marketplace because it can get sketchy. But yeah, I freaking love you. Stay motivated. We have merch in the description down below. CRF 150 is flipping amazing. I just did the first ride yesterday, so stay tuned for that. I freaking love you. Stay motivated. We're posting bangers. And when I say I got some bangers coming, I got some bangers coming. For real, guys. I appreciate all the support. Love you, gang. Peace.